Hello dear kids, today we will make a cute fish bowl. First, draw a cute little fish. Draw two side lines of the bowl. Then draw the bottom base of the bowl. Now on the top, draw a big round curve to make the bowl's top. Inside the bowl, draw some plants and at the bottom, draw the ground. And now, trace all the lines with a marker to make them bold. Now let's fill in the colors together. Yellow color. Fill the fish with yellow color. Red color. Fill the fish's fins with red color. Brown color. Fill the ground at the bottom with brown color. Green color. Fill the plants with green color. Blue color. Fill the water with blue color. Kids, amazing! Our cute fish bowl drawing is ready.